i35equipment.com. This is a Caterpillar 320E hydraulic track excavator. This machine does have the long reach arm on the front, which is fantastic for cleaning up ponds without getting your tracks down in the mud and muck. Also really great for digging some deep holes. If I remember correctly, that's a 42-inch bucket on there. We do have other buckets available, depending on the application you're looking to put to work doing. One might be better suited for your efforts. You can see our full inventory of buckets online, www.i35equipment.com. You can also see all the specs and all the photos of this machine on there as well. We do welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Just give us a call to get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. Give us a call, get you on the calendar. That way we're happy to meet you out here and have the gate unlocked for you. Our specialty is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, just send her out. We have folks all over the country looking for good ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Fill out the form on the website or call for more information on that service. And if you need a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. So getting it shipped to you shouldn't be too big of an issue. Fill out the form with your full delivery address, call, text, or email. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back to best rates back to us. Or we welcome you to pick it up for yourself or arrange for your own hauling if you like. This machine does have cold AC, hot heat, lots of power, track's excellent, the hand and safety rail, and one of my favorite features, does not require DEF. It does have switchable control patterns, so that pattern control switch is going to be located underneath the operator's floor mat. Check out all the access panels, the motor, and the undercarriage, and we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around in there. Looks to have all the panels and guards in place. It is a 24-volt system, but it has the 4 batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4. Underneath this little cutout here is your access panel for your pattern control switch or lever. So no matter who's in the operator's seat for you, feel right home with the pattern control of their choice. It does have a cat factory seat with a cat seat cover on it. Good, no lights, no issues. The gauges are all up. Got all your switches and controls here. HVAC control. Operator's manual is there. It's lived its life back there, so it's just kind of hanging in there. This is there for reference. Not seeing anything there. HVAC is working, which I can feel going. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Happy to meet you out here. Like I said, have the gate unlocked and let you take a look at it for yourself. Hope you have a wonderful day.